beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this healthy oatmeal recipe that will leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so I have 2 eggs here. So to be on a safer side, I want to break it into a separate bowl before transferring it into my mixture. So I'll go ahead to whisk this till it is a bit fluffy. And after this, I'm going to set this aside. Moving on, in my bowl, I'll add in my dry ingredient, which is oats. So I'm using 1.5 cup of oatmeal here. 2 eggs. So the oatmeal I blended 1 cup and 1/2 cup I didn't blend it. Okay, so that's my combination: 1 cup blended, 1/2 cup not blended. So that's how I mixed it. So I added in 1 cup of milk, and later on I added in 1/2 cup of water. Okay, so I'm gonna mix everything together to combine nicely. Thank you, beautiful people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected. Okay. So I'll go ahead and add in 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, so I have toddler at home and I added in like 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so I didn't bother to record that aspect. If you want to add, if you don't want to add, you can skip that. Okay, see, this recipe will leave you asking for more. Next, we'll go ahead to grease our pan and I'll transfer the mixture into my pan. So I'll be doing this on a medium to low heat. So you see how I'm doing it. So the mixture will spread around the pan. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this for a few minutes and I'm gonna flip this over and look at how this came out. So this is my final look. This is how it's looking. It was good. It was good. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more batch. So this recipe tasted so good that you will love to try it over and over and over again. So try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.